Welcome back to the channel. My name is Aldane. What I do on my channel, I talk about personal finance, how to build wealth, how to preserve wealth, and how to invest and get the best out of your money. Well, today I'm gonna be talking about how to get started or how to build your base. So most people, want to get started, but they don't know where to, to get good information from. So, this is my personal information that I want to just put out on my channel. So the first step I would do is you have savings account, right? You have a regular savings account that might give you 0.04, right? I would get a high yield savings account. That's where I would start because investing can be very tricky. So if you don't really know, you don't read a book like The Intelligent Investor or One Up Wall Street to get really good information that actually can help you to guide you through the steps by doing the right thing, like make sure you know what you're doing with asset allocation. But too much of that now. So what I would say is I would get me an high yield savings account. So now there's several banks out there that doing really good. I know the Fed just cut the interest rate, but um, based upon my personal opinion, Capital One is given 4.30 APY on your money. And the good thing about Capital One, they pay out their interest every month. So now, if you have your money sitting in Capital One, now you start to get some form of interest payment. So I would get started there. And after I get started there, before I go jump right into the stock market, I would go ahead and find a brokerage account that can actually give you a paper trade account. You're not going to be trading, but what you're going to do is the paper trade account would make you actually can invest with paper money. So you would get to invest in the stock market, but actually with paper money, right? Meaning that like it's actually not real money, but you get to track what the market doing in real time. So when you invest in maybe VOO, a good ETF, then you can be invested in VOO, and then you can be like see how it works. So you can get the whole feel of it. Like, how do you feel when your money go down to 3%? How do you feel of like the whole fluctuation through the market? So I would get start there before I go straight into like investing, and make sure you read, try to find all the good book that people recommend. And don't take the information that don't based upon the information in the book, don't be a yes man or a yes woman by just go ahead and just grab that information. Read book one, read book two, then you come to your own decision like, okay, does this make any sense? And then you make your first step towards investing in the stock market. And there is many ways to invest in the stock market. You can invest in single stock, you can invest in ETF, you can invest in mutual funds. So I'm going to be explaining all of this in follow-up video, but you want to know what's an ETF, you want to know what is an index fund, you want to know what is a stock. So some people prefer to invest in single stock, but you want to know what the risk on investing in a single stock and stuff. If you find any value in my video, please share, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.